Ravi was a young man who lived in a small village. His family was poor, but they were happy. Ravi's father worked as a farmer, and his mother made handicrafts to sell in the market. Ravi had big dreams. He wanted to study in the city, get a good job, and give his family a better life. One day, Ravi's father fell sick. The doctor said he needed expensive treatment. The family didn't have enough money. Ravi felt helpless. He decided to leave the village and go to the city to earn money. When Ravi arrived in the city, he was amazed. The tall buildings, busy streets, and bright lights were so different from his quiet village. He found a small room to stay in and started looking for work. At first, it was very hard. He worked in a restaurant during the day and as a delivery boy at night. Even with 2 jobs, his earnings were small. One day, Ravi met Mr. Shah, a wealthy businessman, in the restaurant. Mr. Shah noticed Ravi's hard work and honesty. He asked Ravi about his story. Ravi shared everything: his sick father, his dreams, and his struggles. Mr. Shah was impressed. He offered Ravi a job as an assistant in his office. Ravi was excited but nervous. He didn't know much about office work. However, he was determined to learn. He spent his free time studying. He watched videos, read books, and practiced speaking English. Slowly, he became confident. Over time, Ravi learned how businesses work. He understood how to handle money, make deals, and manage people. He started saving his salary and sent money home for his father's treatment. His father's health improved, and Ravi felt a sense of relief. One day, Mr. Shah gave Ravi a big responsibility. He asked Ravi to manage a project. Ravi worked day and night to make it successful. When the project succeeded, Mr. Shah praised Ravi in front of the entire office. Ravi's hard work was finally paying off. Years passed, and Ravi became a trusted manager in the company. With his savings, he started a small business of his own. At first, it was risky, but Ravi remembered the lessons he had learned from Mr. Shah. His business grew, and he earned more money than he ever dreamed of. Ravi did not forget his roots. He built a hospital in his village so that no one else would face the same problem his family had. He also started a school to teach children about business and life skills. When people asked Ravi about his success, he always said, "The game of money is not about being greedy. It's about working hard, helping others, and never giving up." Ravi's story inspired many people. It taught them that even in tough times, hope and effort can lead to success. It showed that money is not the goal but a tool to make life better for everyone. Today, Ravi is not just a successful businessman but also a role model for his community. His journey from a poor village boy to a respected leader proves that dreams can come true with determination and kindness.